G'day from the Bureau for your weekend wrap around the country. And the theme really is it is going to be hot this weekend. We see temperatures well into the 40s across large parts of WA, but that does extend across much of central parts of Australia as well. And that's today, but as we move into the weekend, we're going to see temperatures really start to increase. Note the areas of these lighter pink areas. These areas could be experiencing temperatures greater than 45 degrees. And some locations could be looking at 48 or 49 degrees on Saturday and Sunday. But note that 40-degree heat also extending through parts of South Australia and into Queensland. Now, as we move into Sunday, note getting even hotter across central parts of the country. But note quite a bit cooler along our southern coastline thanks to onshore flow, and heat also starting to build along our east coast. So some locations again looking into the high 40s. But note this light pink area grow even more as we move in on Monday, with huge parts of inland WA looking at temperatures greater than 45 degrees, with many locations sitting at 47, 48, could even see a few 49s as well. Note heat also continuing to extend further eastwards. Places like Moree could even see 43 degrees and much of inland Queensland as well. But thankfully for those on the southern coast, cool onshore winds continuing to keep things cool there. But how does the weather look as we move into the weekend? Well, there's a lot of rain and storms across our north. And for more details on that, you can see our severe weather video that was posted earlier today. Elsewhere though, really dry and sunny across much of southern parts of the country. We could see showers and thunderstorms through inland parts of Queensland today. Now tomorrow we see a continuation of this weather pattern, dry and hot across much of southern and inland Australia, cooler along the coast but staying mostly dry with just a few cloudy patches there, and also staying fairly dry along our east coast as well with just a few light showers on the Queensland coast. Now on Sunday, pretty much very similar, high pressure dominating the weather across southern parts of the country with lots of sunshine for many, maybe a few clouds around Melbourne and Hobart with that onshore flow. Dry and warm on our east coast, again with that onshore flow, and rain continuing across our tropical north. And on Monday, may see some relief in the far southwestern parts of WA, but heat continuing as you saw earlier through inland areas, but staying dry right across much of the country. That heavy rain threat starts moving into the Kimberley, and then all eyes are starting to watch a tropical low developing off the Queensland coast as we move into the early parts of next week. So we're likely to see a tropical low develop or continue to develop as we move through the weekend, and it may become a tropical cyclone as we get into that late Sunday and Monday timeframe, and then start to move towards the south and southwest. But as we stand right now, we just see a tropical low developing in the northern Coral Sea, likely to intensify as we move through the weekend. So anyone living on the Queensland coast are advised to continue to stay updated. The latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media as we continue to get a better handle on the forecast and outlook for the possible tropical cyclone. That's it from us. We'll see you again next time.